What is going on, my YouTube friends? So anyhow, I'm out in the garage again today with the Fairmont, and I bought some wire loom and I am hooking it up, baby. Let's show you what I got going on. I'm kind of done for the night because these wire looms can be a pain in the butt. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get the wire through them and they pop back out and they crinkle up. You got to tape every 12 inches or something to keep it from popping out. So let's take a look at what we got. Yeah, I got me some oil caps finally, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, got it over there. I'm gonna have to adjust that line over there a little bit. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, I did get some wire looms. I got them through here. I run them down through there. And I got it up out of here, into there, into here. Woohoo! And I got it going through the cowl. So let me get over on the other side here. Yeah, you like those oil filters, don't you? Those oil breathers. Oh, yes, you do. I know I do. So, yeah, so I got it through here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of get some brackets and bolt it down on the inside up against the firewall there a little bit. Get that done. And as you see, I got it through here. And I got it in here. I got it coming out of there. And I got it going through here. I'm kind of thinking about putting the starter solenoid out back here. I'm not sure yet. I haven't made up my mind. I do got enough wire to do whatever I want to do, and yet I haven't done the battery cables yet. So, and I got enough starter wire to go out there if I want to go out there. You know what I mean? So I just figure I'd give you an idea of what's going on here in Mr. Mach 1's garage. We are steadily working on the Fairmont, trying to get things done. And I had to get some spark plugs. I already got the wires and everything, so I pretty much got everything I need except for just getting her done. And the gentleman that built the engine for me, I contacted him, and when I'm ready, he's going to come over and we're going to go everything and get this thing running. So yeah, I appreciate it. His name's Alan. Good dude, good dude. He's built a lot of engines for people I know, and they've all been pretty satisfied with them. But again, you see I got the wire out here, which I'll button this up underneath here better. And then I gotta feed these back through here for the headlights, which you see in there somewhere. There they are. I got them coming out, and then I got a bracket, so I need to, do a wire loom that I got for this too, and I'll do one for the core support as well. So anyhow, turn this around. I know I told everybody I wanted to get this thing running by the end of April. Well, it didn't work out that way. You know what I'm saying? Those headers kind of threw me for a loop, but I think we got that handled. If not, we'll get it handled one day or another. But right now, we got it handled. But anyhow, I got I'm getting anxious, man. And like I says, I know it was going to be done. I get this thing running by April. Today's May 1st, and yeah, it ain't running yet, but we're working towards it. I've been trying to get out in the garage, 45 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, or whatever, and try to get a little something done every day. So right now, I think I'm on the right track. Like I says, I don't know if we're gonna, put the starter solenoid on the outside of the fender well or on the inside. I haven't figured it out yet. Either way, it'd be easier to get to. I shouldn't have any problems if I need to change it or anything like that. Yeah, so we're getting her done little by little, but we're getting her done, and hopefully we'll get this thing running sometime this month. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. But I'm working on it. So anyhow, I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. You have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this video. Yeah, buddy.